This isn't going to be a long video, but somebody came up with a pretty good question. They wanted to know how long a egress would be on the exterior of your house. And trust me, I did a lot of research on this, and if there's anyone else out there who has more information, feel free to share it with us in the comment area. But as far as the International Residential Code Book and artificial intelligence and all of the searching I could possibly do on the subject, it simply suggests that all you would need would be a projecting 36-inch long concrete pad and the width of the doorway. And some building codes require a 44-inch long concrete pad, and of course this concrete pad will be the width of the doorway. And if you have a sliding glass door, this would only be for the operable or opening of the door. You don't need to go the entire width of the sliding glass door. And the last thing I want to mention is that you will need to check with your local building department because their codes are going to take precedence. They're going to be number one, not the IRC. And make sure that you're not dealing with any ADA. This is the Americans with Disabilities Act, because this will change things drastically. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.